Alright, so here I am, 34th Street and 6th Avenue, right there. The Empire State Building right over there. Some people playing in the snow. Mercy University. There's Macy's right over there. So I just got here. I'm gonna walk around and see what's going on. This is like the largest snowfall we have had for the winter so far. Supposed to go up to like 8 inches. I got my boots right there, you see? I'm surprised they didn't have people come out here and clean this stuff, you know? Yeah. Alright. Wow. So it's Sunday the 25th, January 2026. And this storm started sometime this morning when I woke up. I think maybe after 6 or so, that's when it started. Wow. Put on some shades here. Going right into my wow. I had to put on some shades here because the snow is blowing right into my eyes. Yeah, making it difficult to see. But with these shades, I can see fine. Wow. So I heard the schools, New York City public schools, will be physically closed tomorrow on Monday. But they have remote learning. That means children will have to tune in on their computers, laptops. You know, years ago when I was in public school, the schools really closed. Had to be really, really terrible bad to close. And the reason for that is because parents who may have to go to work. And if you have to go to work and your children are going to be home, under the law, you know, you need to have a guardian. You need to be able to stay with somebody. So that's one of the reasons the school used to be open. Unless it's really, really terrible, you know, like bad snow. Like you have a blizzard, then they were shut in. But now you have remote learning. So with remote learning, you can tune in the computer. Last time they did that, the system was down. It wasn't working well. Right, all these businesses here, all the snow coming down, and they can't afford to pay somebody to clean the snow. Isn't that something? How thick this is. This looks like 10 inches, 10 or 12. At least these people are clean here. You know? So this is the Empire State Building here. So this is me here. I put my hood on. Oh. So Fifth Avenue is right over there. On that way. Fifth Avenue. Observatory tickets. You know, the Empire State Building is famous, but it's famous for other stuff too. Over the years, some people came all the way to New York City, like from states like Connecticut, so forth, to commit suicide. And they would jump off the top of the building and fall this way. Happened a few times. Well, last time the college student came from Connecticut, left his dorm room, and then he jumped over the building. But you know what? If you kill yourself in your dorm room in Connecticut, chances are nobody will hear about you, except maybe the local people up there in Connecticut. But because he did it here, at the Empire State Building, that was news. He got his name in the newspaper and on TV. All the cameras here that the police department put up. So people who commit crimes here, yeah, so already cameras there. That it'd be hard to, I mean, you can escape, but the cameras are going to track you, no matter how far you go. Walking in Fifth Avenue, Brian and 35th Street.
Quick, boy.
This place. Wonder when they're gonna clean this stuff. Wow. Usually they clean Manhattan up quickly, you know? Ah, I usually walk in this stuff. So notice here, that's West 35th Street. And right here, that's 5th Avenue. On the other side of the street, over there to my right, that's East 35th Street. So 5th Avenue divides the boulevard. 5th Avenue divides the streets into East and West. There's John Wall. Ah, this guy just sitting there. So if you look over there, you see there's East 35th Street.